now to a CBS News California investigation. Imagine you're the victim in a case where the suspect is charged with attempted murder and assault with a deadly weapon, but the judge says the defendant doesn't have to stand trial. Well, it's a case that we've been following for months, and CBS News California investigative reporter Jeff Nguyen is here to explain it to us all. Jeff?
Well, Pat, you may not know about a program called Diversion, and it allows defendants the ability to enter rehabilitation instead of facing prosecution or jail. Tonight, we want you to meet the victim in a long-running trial, or case rather, who says the idea is fine when it comes to nonviolent crimes, but not for the man accused of nearly taking his life.
I had a brain bleed.
Christian Hornberg is wheelchair-bound after being attacked with a metal pipe more than 2 years ago.
I got a couple of lumps on my head where he hit me and kicked me in the head.
The E-line train.
Hornberg was jumped from behind at this train station in Santa Monica and thrown to the ground.
East LA.
Prosecutors say the defendant, Job Taylor, yelled racial slurs as he allegedly stomped on Hornberg's head. LA County District Attorney Nathan Hochman says Taylor attacked 2 other black people the same day. According to court records, footage from police body cameras showed Taylor continued his racist rant until he was arrested. Was this a hate crime?
It absolutely was a hate crime. In fact, Mr. Taylor, when he was interviewed, said that he actually had a particular issue with black people.
The district attorney's office charged Taylor with attempted murder, assault with a deadly weapon, and hate crime enhancements.
These cases should have resulted in years of prison time. Instead, what happened in this case is that before there's even a plea entered, a judge honored a request for diversion.
Diversion programs offer eligible defendants an opportunity to avoid criminal conviction and jail time by completing treatment and other requirements. In LA County, the Office of Diversion and Reentry provides supportive housing through either mental health diversion or probation.
This is not a locked facility. This is a facility that at any moment of any day he can walk out of and they won't stop him.
According to court transcripts, a county psychiatrist testified all ODR programs are unlocked. Taylor has been diagnosed with schizoaffective disorder, bipolar disease, and an opiate use disorder. We tried for months to find out how many people did not complete the program or simply walked out, but we could not confirm exact numbers from ODR officials. Based on what ODR told us, in 2024, there were likely about 2,700 to 2,800 people in the program. ODR says they lost track of around 400 to 500 people, and somewhere between 100 and 200 people returned to jail. Hochman estimates there were about 24% who did not complete the program, while estimates from ODR shows about 17%.
That is a failure rate that is incredibly serious in our society.
In March, Judge Lana Kim granted him diversion, saying the whole reason this diversion was created was in essence to treat people who have a mental health diagnosis.
The whole point of the criminal justice system is it needs to deliver justice for victims like Mr. Hornberg.
A RAND study found rapid diversion program participants are 3 times less likely to be rearrested than those incarcerated. And the Vera Institute of Justice found people who complete diversion are 43% more likely to gain employment. Troy Vaughn runs the nonprofit Los Angeles Regional Reentry Partnership.
Diversion is intended to address the root causes like trauma, mental health, and poverty. It's not about avoiding accountability. It's about accountability that works.
According to mental health diversion statutes, a defendant charged with certain crimes such as murder and rape is ineligible for diversion. Taylor's public defender said he is housed with black inmates. His bunkmate is a black individual and he does not have animosity towards black people. But in support of their opposition to Taylor's motion for diversion, the DA cited Taylor's medical records, which indicated a jail psychologist who interviewed Taylor noted his hostile and aggressive behaviors towards custody staff. One of the reasons the California Court of Appeal granted the DA's petition to vacate Judge Kim's order for diversion, saying no expert nor any other evidence suggested that Taylor would not pose an unreasonable risk of danger to public safety if granted diversion. In the meantime, Christian Hornberg has been living at a care facility with lasting injuries.
I have little tendon and wrist damage to the muscles in my wrists. I guess from not walking, my legs have gotten weak, my balance is off. I have constant headaches every day.
Now, Taylor will now face trial on the original charges, including attempted murder with a hate crime enhancement. His pretrial hearings are set for next month, and if convicted, Pat, he could face life in prison.
Well, thank you so much, Jeff, for putting that in context for us, explaining what the diversion program is and isn't.
Right.
How it works.
And just the number of people who are basically in the wind as well.
All right. Thank you so much, Jeff.
You got it.